Good morning, students. Hope all of you well. And in this video, we are going to discuss the French Revolution. I mean to say that chapter 1, French Revolution chapter. Okay. Mainly in this video, we are going to discuss the revision. I mean to say that this is revision video. So I hope all of you already properly completed this chapter and completed all the study material. That's why this video is related with revision. Okay. Now, this chapter is very important in class 9 and Wall history. Okay. And previously we have discussed all the important aspects of this chapter. So this chapter is very important for you. Now we are going to discuss some questions, those who are important for your upcoming exam. That means this question is very important for your upcoming periodic exam. That's why these are very important. Okay. Now look. First question. When did the French Revolution take place? Okay, the question is when did the French Revolution take place? We all know this happened in 1789. That means answer is 1789. 1789 is the year when the French Revolution take place. Another important question, very important question. What form of government was in practice in France in 1789. Okay, 1789. Look, this question is very important. Why? First of all, question is what form of government was in practice in France in 1789? That means this question is related with the ruling system. Okay. Look, in those days, in this chapter, French Revolution, in previous study material and previous video, we have discussed about various aspects of French Revolution. The reason of French Revolution, economical reason, social causes and other important reasons, and the outback, I mean to say that the feedback of the revolution and other aspects, and the Napoleon. Okay, I think all this aspect already completed. Okay, in your home. So this question is important because what type of ruling system was going on in 1789 in France? The answer is autocracy. Autocracy was the system going on. Okay, now next question. Who came under the third estate? Okay, very important question. In previous study material already we have discussed about the whole aspect. Okay, then this is very important question. Who come under the third aspect? Most probably in previous one video, what is the reason, social reason of the French Revolution? We have discussed about the first estate, second estate, third estate. First estate mainly, first estate related with the king and his family. Second estate the noble family, clergy and others, and other states. Okay, third estate the common people. Okay, common people, that means peasant, farmer, banker, merchant, okay, employee, all type of common people related with third estate. So third estate is very important section in France during 1789. So this answer is clear. Now the answer is the businessman, banker, lawyer, peasant, artisan, etc. That means in previous video already we have discussed 95% people, 90 to 95% common people belong to this state. I mean to say that other state. Okay, only the king and his relation. I mean to say that king and king family, clergy, and these are the first state and second state. Others, all the people from prison. I mean to say that farmer, landless farmer. Okay, landless farmer to the bankers, merchant, businessman, lawyer, artisan, all belongs to this community. So, third step is very easy to ask. Now, next question. Okay, next very important question. Who wrote the book Social Contract? Okay, this question is who wrote the book Social Contract. In this chapter, we have discussed about the various reasons of French Revolution. Okay, various reasons, that means political reason, social reason, okay, economical reason, and others reasons. In other reason point, we can discuss the intelligent causes. Intelligent causes, that means in those days, okay, those who are the intellectual person of the society, they wrote about the society. They wrote in their book about the society, the crisis of the society, and this type of book created mass movement. Okay, that means behind the French Revolution there is another important current. We already discussed social, political, economical. Third, another important reason was intellectual causes. Okay, so Social Contract is a book name. But question is who was the author of this book or who wrote this book? Okay. Now the answer is Rousseau. Okay. Rousseau was one of the important philosophers of France in those days. Okay, yes, although we have discussed other philosophers, Rousseau, Montesquieu, Voltaire, these are the very important philosophers and personality in those days in France. And they created mass movement. I mean to say that they wrote their book, and in their book they write about the social evils, social problems, social climatize, and all type of social evil they mention in their own book. Okay, so they are the another reason behind the French Revolution. Okay, now next question. Who was Avicenna? Who was Avicenna? Very important question. Who was Avicenna? Look, when you read the tennis court oath, okay, tennis court oath, very important topic in this revolution, in this chapter, and very important event in world history. Mainly during the French Revolution, tennis court is the what can I say, starting point of the revolution. Okay, then you find this name Avicenna. Now the question, who was Avicenna? Okay, so if this question came in 1 mark, think this is 1 mark question. Okay, then what is your answer? Then simply you write Avicenna was a priest. Okay, this is enough. Okay, although Avicenna is related with clergy, but if this question contains 1 mark, then this answer is enough for you, I think. Okay, now another important question 1800, sorry, 1800 to 7 was reintroduced by, that means question is, in 1800 to Savary system was reintroduced by whom? Clear? Savary system. Okay. If you read the ancient or medieval European history, then you are habituated with this word, Savary. Okay. What is the meaning of Savary? One type, what can I say? Savary means in those days, the graduated type. Okay. They have to do everything for their owners without any demands. Okay. This is the main features of the Savary system. But this system is an ancient system. Okay. This is ancient thinking and ancient system. That's why during the French Revolution, the Revolutionist Party abolished this system. Okay, totally abolished this system during the French Revolution. But first, again 1802, this system is reintroduced in France. And this system is reintroduced by Napoleon Bonaparte. That means the answer is Napoleon. Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay. So, students, look, this is video, okay, and we just discussed 6 questions. But this, the French Revolution chapter is very important chapter, not in your class, but in world history. Now you are in class 9, next class, class 10, you have to read some part of French Revolution. Okay, that's why I need to say that in class 10, the first chapter is nationalism, the rights of nationalism. In first chapter, class 10, you have to read some part of this chapter, okay. But this is video, so remember, we cannot do long video. So my suggestion is to you, read the chapter properly, because this chapter is very important. You find various type of short question, long question, and most of all, you must complete properly the study material and previous video. I think study material and previous video give you some idea about this chapter. So, student, read all the important section. And yes, you find various type of question. If you are not able to solve all type of question, then ask me. But time is so high because your upcoming periodic exam is in door. That's why my suggestion is read properly all the study material. Thank you.